And I hope everybody is doing good. And Sharmila, Vatsala, Mustafa, Fiza, Vardhini, uh, the smart minds must be doing good, or you're doing practice. Priyanka is there, Purushottam is there, right? This is all smartest mind, Sharmila. Wonderful. Shall we start now? Can you give me acknowledgement? Can we start now? Sharmila, great. Praveen, okay, right. So I hope everybody has a notebook, pen, pencil. Priyanka, Niranjan, I hope everybody has. Let's start with the data arrangement. Data arrangement. We'll go for data arrangement first, and there is a one typical and very a trivial example to make you understand how does it work, the data arrangement strategy. Can you read the question and try to arrange the number of people there? I will be waiting for your reply for 1 minute. Please try to arrange this data. Read the question carefully and arrange the data. So I will wait for your reply at least for 1 minute. Once I'll get the reply of any first five students, so I will try solving it. Okay, great. Shreyas got it A, B, C, D, E. Okay, Shreyas, wonderful. I blocked your answer. Aditya is saying A, B, C, D, E. Okay, same answer Aditya is also telling. Anjana is telling the same A, B, C, D, E. Anamika is telling the same A, B, C, D, E. Right? Okay. Vishwas is telling, wonderful Vishwas. Vishwas is telling A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A. Vishwas, one is wrong. Right. Let's try to understand. And remember the few typical, typical words that we have to understand the few words. And the few typical words in the data arrangement, in the sitting arrangement matter a lot. Let's talk about this. What I'll do, I'll first create the position of the people, right? There are 5 friends standing in a row facing the same direction. It could be anyway. So I create the position first. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So remember friends, I should take our perception, right? Because I am solving the question, I should take our perception. This should be the right direction, right, and this should be the left. This should be the left, remember. Whenever we solve a problem in linear arrangement, if given only one row, if not given 2 rows, given only 1 row, it means our perception, right? Right and left. Now from the given statement, right? From the given statement, can anybody tell me which statement gives the definite information? Definite means what? Which statement is the independent clue, right? I'm talking about the clue. And very important word, this is clue. The independent clue means what? The position of that person should be fixed. It's not dependent on the other statement. Wonderful, Rohan. Rohan is saying, of course, Rohan and Sharmila, Mustafa, Anamika, wonderful. Viva, of course, statement number 3. Statement number 3 is of course, the middle value, right? Is the independent clue, or statement 3 gives the definite information. C is the middle, right? Now I'll try the other statement now. Look at the statement number 2. Statement 2 says A and E standing at a 2-end position. It means, remember, it's not given in the question A and E standing at a 2-end position means not given left and the right end, not given. So A can be here or A can be here. I hope that makes sense. It's not given A must be the left end or A must be at the right end, rightmost end, not given, right? So I mean E can be here or E can be here. 2 possibilities are there. A can be here or E can be here, right? Now look at the fourth statement. The fourth statement gives the complete information regarding this case, the two cases, right? This is the first case, this is the second case. The statement 4 says D is left of E. If I'll take the second case, there is no position here. The left of E, no position, right? That's why I should not take the second case. The left of E, where should be? It should be here, or it could be here. Remember, friends, it's not given D is immediate left. Keep in the mind. The immediate left, immediate right means the next. Next means what? Just next to you, right? It's not given. It's given left of E. So if D is here, B can be here, right? If D is here, B can be here. So we will get the two possibility altogether. The first possibility is A, B, C, D, E. What is the other possibility? A, D, C, B, E. I hope that makes sense. Everybody, right? My answer must be either this or this. The two possibilities. In both the cases, all the statements, if you try once again, and all the statements will satisfy these two possibilities. If you try, Mustafa, I hope everybody understood. And remember, this is the question people always get confused. This question. So you should make note of this. Immediate, right? Immediate right, immediate left, all this. And also look at this. I'll tell you strategy. What is strategy here to find out? The very first strategy, the first number. Read the entire puzzle and understand the statements correctly. Very, very important strategy is identify the statements that give indefinite information, right? That give definite information. This is very, very important one. Definite means what? You should find the statement which gives the independent clue, right? The complete and definite information. So we can block that position first, right? Then we can try finding the third step, the connecting the information, right? Connecting information. I can say the information should be connected to the definite information, definite, and then you can rearranging this. These 2 points are very, very important. Remember, friends, in data arrangement, sitting arrangement, number 2 and number 3, very, very important. Shall we try now? Let's try for this question. There's one more. There's one strategy here for this type of problem. If the questions are given, if the people are sitting right in a row, only single row facing the same direction. So of course this must be the right. If this is the right, this must be the left. If there are 2 rows and the people sitting in 2 rows and the people sitting in the first row facing the other people, it means facing each other, right? Double row. In that case, just opposite. If this is the left, this should be the right. If this is the left, this is the right. If this is the right, you are assuming they take left. It means this must be the left, this must be the right. Just opposite, right? Because people are facing to each other. That matters a lot. Who is right, who is left. And there is only one direction. There is only one row. Then you can take our perception, right? Right this side, left this side. Now, what happened in the case of circular arrangement? Very, very simple, remember. Of course, let's say this, all the people looking away from the center. It means all the people facing away from the center. Let's say this is A, person A sitting there, person B sitting here, C, D, E, let's say. You know, try to understand. Everybody looking away from the center. It means facing away from the center. So can you tell me who is left of B? The left of A is B, right? Left of B is C, and left of C is D, and left of D is E. Look at this. What is happening? Left means what? Left means I am considering this is the anti-clockwise, right? I am considering anti-clockwise. One important point, remember. One important anti-clockwise. The first point. Left means anti-clockwise. Look at this. B is left of A. C is left of B. Right? And D is left of C. E is left of D. And so on. Of course, let's say this is F. F is left of E. Let's say here. G. G is left of F. Let's say H. And of course, H is left of, right? And yes, and A is left of H. What is happening? Anti-clockwise, isn't it? Anti-clockwise. That is the left. Now, can I say the right means what in this case? Right means the clockwise. I hope you would have made sense in this case. Now, can I say that right means what? H is right of A. Of course, G is right of H. F is right of G, right? And F and E is right of F. What is happening? Clockwise, right? Clockwise. And also D is right of E. And C is right of D. Again and so on, clockwise. Now look at here in this case, what is happening? If all the people facing the center, then what happens? Just vice versa, just ulta, just opposite, right? Now let's say this is A, this is B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's say this is all the people sitting around a table and everybody looking towards the center, facing the center. Now look at what is happening here. Of course, B is right of A. Look at this. C is right of C, right of B, and D is right of C. E is right of D. F is right of E. G is right of F, and H is right of G, and A is right of H. So just ulta, right? Right means what? Anti-clockwise. Right means here anti-clockwise. It means this way, right? Anti-clockwise. And the left, if facing the center, left means what? Clockwise. You can check it if you want. Clockwise, right? It means, look at this. A is left of B. A is left of B, right? And H is left of, sorry, left of course, H. And also G is left of H. F is left of G, right? Wonderful. Shreyas, you understood, I think, right? Shreyas? Shreyas is, fairy tale talking about the ringtone, is it? Shreyas? Wonderful, Shreyas. You're very intelligent, huh? Very intelligent. Okay, I hope you have understood. Right, left. If the away from the center, left means anti-clockwise, right means the clockwise. Facing the center, right means anti-clockwise, left means clockwise. Remember any one, you can find the remaining, no problem. Right. Shall we go for the question solving now? Here we go. Number one. Your time starts now. 2 minutes time. First find
కదా
out independent
ಸರಿ
clue.
ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ
First find out the
ಹಾ
independent clue. Then find out the interconnecting statement. Wow, Shreyas got the answer. Shreyas got the answer. G, B, C, D, F, E, F, A. Wonderful, Shreyas. Let's wait for the other participants. Let's try now. Same answer, Sridham. Great, Sridham. Welcome back, Sridham. How are you? The question reads as, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are 7 friends. Very nice. 7 friends sitting in a row facing north such that. Now look at the fourth statement. The first statement says D is to the immediate right of C. Second statement says E and A are neighbors of F. Third one, B is to the immediate left of C and on second place from the leftmost end. A is at the rightmost end. Remember, friends, what is happening here? First, create the position. How many positions there? 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So create the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 7. Now tell me which statement gives the definite information. Tell me first. Which statement gives the definite information? Wonderful. Wonderful. Great. Vatsala, Sharmila, Aditya. Fourth one. And also the third one. First, fourth one, right? So I will go for the first statement, number 4. 4. What is given? A is at the rightmost end. Right means what I told you. Our perception should be here, right? This side must be the right and this side must be the left. So it means A must be here. I blocked. The position of A is blocked. You cannot change it. It's the definite information. Now look at the third statement now. Third statement. What is it says? It says B is to the immediate left of C and the second place from the leftmost end. Right? It must B must be here. Right? Second from the leftmost end. This is the first and the second. Right? Done. And then where could be the C then? Of course, C must be here. Because B is the immediate left of C. And B is sitting on the second place from the leftmost. Right? So C must be here because B must be the left of C. Of course. B is left of C. Now, after this, just find out the any statement which connects. So let's say number 2 statement, it says E and A are neighbors or F. A we already know. So E and A are neighbors of F. It means F must be in the middle. Right? E must be here. And that's why E and A both are neighbors of F. Neighbors means what? D must be in the middle. That's why E and A are neighbors. Now look at the first statement now. First statement now. Right? The first one. What is given? D is to the immediate right of C. D must be here. That's all. Very, very simple. There's only one letter left. I mean, only one friend, the person left. Which friend? That name is G. Left. That's all. Very, very simple. Now, let's read the question one by one. Who is in the between C and E? Who is in between C and E? What is the answer? Wonderful. Vardhani, D. The answer is D. Right? This answer. Who are neighbors of G? Not who is the neighbor, right? Should be because there is only one neighbor, that is G. Neighbors of G, right? Should be B. Third one. What is the position of E? Now, position of E can be, that depends on the option. It can be, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can say fifth from the left end, or also possible 1, 2, 3. Also I can say third from the right end. The options that possible, yes, wonderful. Right end, the third from the right end, third from the rightmost end, and or the fifth from leftmost end. That depends on the option. What are the options given? It could be this option or this option. Wonderful. Mustafa, Pooja, nice. Pooja, Vardhani, Rosh, Rohan Singh. Great, Rohan. So we'll go for the next one now. Let's try for, I hope everybody would have understood. Very, very simple question. And just the strategy, remember, strategy is just first find out the independent clue. It means the statement which gives the complete or definite information. Then you can find out the statements which are connecting statements, right? Then very, very easy to find out. The strategy, only very simple strategy. And then practice a lot, you will get it. So here we go for the next one, number 2. Yeah, your time starts now, 2 minutes. Shall we discuss now? Nobody got the answer yet, so time's up. The question reads as 11 friends, MNOP, right? MNOPQRSTUVW are sitting in the first row of the stadium watching the cricket match. Okay, I can get the few answers from Fiza Terin, Anamika. Anamika got the answer QWMVNUSOTPR, and Fiza got the same. Fiza got it Q. Fiza got QWMVNUSOTPR. Okay. 2 participants got the answer, Fiza and Anamika. Let's try about. Let's try this. How many people all together? 11 friends, 11. So create the position first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Simple. So I create the position now. Now Can anybody tell me which statement will give you the information? Let's try anything here. Look at the statement number 3. First, I'll go for the 3 statement. Wonderful, wonderful, great, Sriram, Anjana. Look at the third statement. The third statement will give you the complete information, friends. If you see that, M is the second to the right of Q. Who is one? Now look at this. Q is, this WH pronoun, it stands for the previous noun. It means this who stands for the Q. It means Q is at one of the ends. Now, given one of the ends, remember, right? But what is given this statement? M is second to the right of Q. If I fix Q here, there is no right position of the Q. There is no any position there. It means Q must not be here. Q must be here. Right? Now, M is the second to the right of Q. It means M should be here. Second to the right of Q. I hope that makes sense, everybody. No? First and second. First and second. Sharmila also got it. Okay, whoever got the answer, just check it out. How am I solving it? If I go anywhere wrong, please tell me. Everybody, please look at this the screen now and stop solving it now, everybody. I will suggest you strongly, everybody, stop solving it now and just look at it how I am solving it. Of course, at the end of the day, you'll get much work, much time yourself to solve it. Right? The few strategies, the few concepts we should learn it here in this session, and then once you go back to your house, of course you are at your home, so you can solve it yourself. Anyway, look at this. Now, can you tell me any other statement which connects the third statement? Look at the second number 2 statement. Number 2. Wonderful, Sharmila. But number 2. V is the immediate neighbor of M and N, right? It means V should be in the middle. It means V should be between M and N. Because immediate neighbor given, right? V must be here. So it means V must be immediate neighbor of M and I can't plug in V here. There's only one position of V, that is here. Right? Very simple. Now read the statement number 1 and 4. We'll get the idea together. Look at this. 1 says here, T is to the immediate left of P and third to the right of U. And no, there's no connection anywhere. So hold on, no connection. Look at now the fourth statement. R is sitting next to the right of P and P is second to the right of O. Right? Try to understand what is P given here. T is to the immediate right of P and the third to the right. Can I say that if plug in P here, where should be R? R must be here because R is sitting next to the right of P and P is second to the right of O. O must be here, right? Second to the right. Where is S given, my dear? Okay. Where is M? V is the immediate neighbor of M and N and third to the left of S. Third to the left of S. Wonderful. Great. Sharmila, thank you so much. That's why I told you now. Look at this. How am I solving it? Vardhini. So it means, of course, V must be third to the left of S. Isn't it? So this is 1, this is 2, this is third. Wonderful. Great. Now it becomes very easy now. Now T is to the immediate left of P. T must be here, immediate left of P. Right? And anything else? And third to the right of U. It means U must be here. T is the third right. T is third right. 1, 2, 3. Right? Very simple. So only one friend left the slot for the friend. Which friend? Which friend is not mentioned? W, isn't it? This slot is for W. I hope everybody got it. Let's check it out, everybody. Q, W, M. Yes, Sharmila. Wonderful. Now look at it, everybody. The question number 1 says, who is sitting in the middle of the row? Of course, the answer is you. You. Now, who are the people sitting to the right of S? Right of S means what? Here to here. Right of S. Our perception talking about, right? So this side right and this side left. This side left. It means that O, T, P, R. Right? Look at here. Who are the immediate neighbors of T? The immediate neighbors of T, Anamika, that is O and P. Wonderful. Vardhani, Anjana, Anamika, very, very nice. O and P. Great. This, and this. I hope that makes sense to everybody now. I hope you would have understood, by the way. Right? What about the other participants? The smart minds, the active people are telling the answer. What about other people, other participants? Are you following it, everybody? Amir Pasha is there, Aditya, Viva, great. There is one more Anamika. Anamika Tripathi, Anamika A. Two Anamikas are there. Good, Priyanka. Usha, Nitya, great. Purushottam, great. Mustafa, Amir Pasha, wonderful. Thank you so much. Shall we go with the next question now? See, I'm investing more time here, remember, because I want to give you the way we were solving it. The strategy is very, very important here. At the end, strategy is only 25%, right? Remaining 75% depends on your practice. If you're not doing practice, so 25% will not work out. This is the logical topic, right? We do not have any the trick, something like you mug up the trick and go and just solve it, plug in the value and get the answer. Never. It's logical topic. You should do much more practice before playing the final match. It means going for the placement drive. Here we go. Tell me, 2 minutes time. Rohan tried to get it all the answers together, all the answers together, and then text me. So it's easy to analyze it. So question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Tell me all the together answer, everybody. I'm requesting everybody, suggesting everybody. So you should get the answer all together. Okay, Vardhani, great. Rohan and Vardhani. Rohan, okay, great. So 2 participants have done. Madhumita, great. Madhumita, try all together, my dear. All together. Question number 1, 2, 3, all together. Okay, Pooja, great. Let's try now. I have already given the hints. There's 6 friends all together, right? And very simple. Sitting in a circular and facing the center. And everybody facing the center, no problem at all. Facing the center, you understand. If you'll go anti-clockwise, it means the right, right? Anti-clockwise means if I'll go this way, it means right, right? If I'll go this way, clockwise, it means left, facing the center, right? Now, the first statement, I should block it this one. Prakash and Mukesh are opposite. First block it. Prakash and Mukesh. Anywhere. Let's say Prakash, I'm blocking here. Block the slot of Prakash and Mukesh. Prakash is here. It means Mukesh must be here. Here. Right? Very, very important. Prakash is here, then Mukesh must be here. Now the second statement. See the first, now I did the numbering already to make you understand. First one. Second, Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. If Prakash is here, right? Prakash and Pankaj. So Pankaj can be here also or here also. Let's say Pankaj is here. So no problem. I'm keeping here Pankaj. Pankaj can be here also, remember. So I'm blocking them now here. Next, Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. It means that Mukesh must be here. Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. Lalit must be here then. Right? It means Preeti must be here in the between. And what about the other person? Deepa must be in between Prakash and Pankaj. No problem. No problem. Correct. All correct. Look at this. And once you arrange this, all this, I mean, this the arrangement. Once you get the arrangement, try to read all statements again and check it whether all the statements are satisfying with the arrangement or not. The first statement says Prakash and Mukesh are opposite to each other. Okay, done. Is correct. Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. Correct. Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. And third one, Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. Also correct. No problem. Now look at this question number 1. Anamika. Viva got Madhumita, Pooja. Very nice. Who is sitting right to Prakash? First one. Right to Prakash. Look at this. I'm talking about right means what? Anti-clockwise. Hai na? Anti-clockwise. Lalit. Right. Anti-clockwise. Who are neighbors of Mukesh? Mukesh, Preeti and Pankaj. Right? Preeti and Pankaj. Next, who is sitting opposite to Preeti? Preeti opposite to Preeti, Deepa. Right? So, Deepa. Yes, Shreyas is saying first one can be Deepa if you arrange Deepa and Pankaj on the other side. But remember, Shreyas, all the statements should satisfy Shreyas, not only that. No? Try satisfying all the 3 statements. Shreyas, try once again. Huh? You will get the answer. Not only one statement should satisfy. Yeah, we'll go for the next one now. Very, very simple question. Here we go. Okay, stress, we'll check it, my dear. We'll check it. We'll check it. I will check it. So try this question meanwhile, everybody. 2 minutes more. Anamika got the answer U opposite to R and P. Okay, Anamika got, Anjana got the answer. Anamika and Anjana got the answer. Great. Okay, now we'll try solving it, everybody. We'll try solving it now. Question reads as PQRS. I'm sorry. PQRSTUVW are sitting around a circle and facing the center. Okay, very simple. Facing the center. So facing the center, everybody. Facing the center. And you know the direction of this. Everybody facing the center. Great. Mustafa is telling T. Pooja is telling U. Madhumita is telling also U. Sriram. Okay. Let's try. Let's try solving it. The first statement says, look at the first statement. P is second to the right of T, right? T can be anywhere, no problem. No? So let's say if T is here, where could be P? Second right. Right means what? Anti-clockwise. Remember, you know? Anti-clockwise. It means P must be here, right? I hope that is right. So right, this P should be here. And who is neighbor of R and B? It means T. This who stands for the previous noun. Who, neighbor of R and B. It means R and V. R can be here or R can be here. No problem. V can be here also. R can be here also. Let's try for the next time. As of now, block both V and R and V and R. Shreyas, look at this one, this arrangement. I hope you understand. Now look at the third statement. Third statement says, after the third says, V is the neighbor of U. Hai na? If I plug in V here, right? So that's why I'll get the neighbor. Otherwise, I'll plug in V here. Remember, it means U must be here. Right? Now, next one. It means can I say that R should be V should be here R. Now, next one. Look at the second statement. S is not the neighbor of P. Second and the fourth statement will give you the complete idea, I think. S is not the neighbor of P. S should not be here, right? So S can be here, can be here, right? Two positions of S is there. S can be here or can be here, right? Two positions. Now look at the fourth statement. 2 and 4 together, right? Fourth one. Q is between S and W, right? Of course, S must be here only, right? Should not be here. That's why Q must be in the S and W. Q is not between S and W, right? It means Q must be here and W must be here. This is S. That's all. That's all. This is that complete, right? So who is immediate right of V? Immediate right of V, Pooja, I hope you would have got it, Pooja and Anamika. Immediate right of V is, that is T. The answer is T. Right? Sriram got right answer. And also Mustafa got right answer. Wonderful, Anamika. T. Next one. What is the position of S? What is the position of S? So what will it? It could be anyway. In between W and U, or can say the immediate left of U, or immediate right of W, or it could be any other. That depends on the options, right? Or I can say the second left of Q, second left of Q, so second right of Q, and second left of V, right? Yes. No, Sriram. No, you cannot. You cannot. You cannot. Because Sriram, remember, that's why this is what difference what we have. Right and left is much more important in the circular arrangement. Remember, I told you the permutation, right? I told you in permutation, let's say A, B, and C, Sriram. If A comes here, C goes there, and B goes there, is a different arrangement? No, it's not a different arrangement. It's the same arrangement, just I have rotated the people. Arrangement makes, let's say, who is the right of B here? C. Right of C here, B here, C here. Just I have rotated here, nothing else. Right? Of the right of B also C here. Right of C, A. Right of C, A. Does not make any difference. Right? So it makes difference only once you exchange the position completely, keeping one constant. Let's say keep B constant and arrange. Let's say here, let's say B is here and just change C and A. Change the position. C here and A here. That makes sense now. Now this is a different now arrangement. So it depends on who is sitting left of you, right of you. That matters a lot here in circular arrangement. And there is no two ends, only one end. Sorry, no ends at all. In linear, the two ends are there. Right? It's very, very important. One more question, then we'll go for the quiz. Here we go. Yes, Sharmila, what doubt you have? Please tell me. Text me if you can. Q cannot be at Q. U cannot be. Okay. Stress. Okay, right. I'll check it. 1 minute. I'll check it. Keep solving this question. I'll check it. Shreyas and Sharmila, not possible. Check it once again yourself. Because there is one given condition, the statement. Anamika, remember it was given the U is immediate neighbor of U, right? V must be immediate neighbor of U. I hope that makes sense to you. Yeah. Immediate means, of course, neighbor means what? The immediate should be always. That's the neighbor. Yes, anybody for this question? So altogether 8 members, right? So let's try. Okay, right. Now we'll try now, everybody. Now just wait is over. Last problem. Okay. We'll check it. We'll check it, Irana. Irana, we'll check it, my dear. We'll try all together now. 8 people all together. Now remember, there are 4 people who facing the center. I did not know who are the 4 people. Of course, out of 8 people, 4 people facing the center. And what is the very conclusion what we have? You who is facing the center. There is one you person. You look at this here. This one, na? Who you can put anywhere, no problem. This is the one the benefit of the circular permutation, circular arrangement. I can put you anywhere, right? So this is the one benefit here. Let's say I'm putting you here. You is here and facing the center, right? U is facing the center. Now Z, no, this WH belongs to Z. Z is the third to the right of U. So 1, 2, 3, third right. It means Z must be the here, right? So this is the trigger, right, for the next couple of informations. U who is facing the center, you can put anywhere, and the right, third right, Z is the third right. And also remember, W is also facing, look at this, W is also facing the center, right? And is the third to the right of Z. It means that 1, 2, 3 also possible here only, no? I hope you understood. Of course, this is not possible. 1, 2, 3 not possible. So only this is possible. It means Z would be also facing the center, and that's why this is the this clockwise, no, anti-clockwise, right? I hope understood. W is here now, and W is given also facing the center. Now I got 3 members who are facing the center. Now there is one more member who is facing the center, and remaining not facing the center. Now check out this. Now look at the last statement. Very last statement now. And we will get the clear idea. Y is on the immediate right of T. I do not know Y kahan pe. Y to yahan pe hoga nahi, right? Y not possible here. Y can be here, or Y can be here, Y can be here, right? So Y can, just I'm writing here, Y can be here, or Y can be, what is the given question where Y is to the immediate right of T. It means if T is here, Y can be here. I do not know in what direction they are facing it. So no information given now. Now look at this one. X is the fourth to the left of T, right? And S is the third to the right of V, who is not the neighbor of T. It means there is a position of Y is there. If Y is there, of course, T must be here, right? Now, X is fourth to the left of T. Left of T. Left of T, it should be V here. It means inside this is, it means all looking outside then. All looking outside then. Right? So inside this one, you know, the inside looking facing the center, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and remaining facing outside the center, right? So only one left here, that is X. That is a X, right? So just check it one by one. This is the all information what we have got given, and we have waited there. What is S position with respect to Y? The S position respect to Y. So we have to count from the Y. Where is S? S must be here, only left here. Sorry. S. So now here to here, right? In respect to Y. So while looking away from the center, it means S is the second right of Y, right? Second right of Y. It means option number C, second to the right, right? Second to the right of Y. So option number C. Everybody got it. I think Anamika also got it. Who is second to the left of V? V is looking inside, remember. Second to the left. Left means what? This side of the, because looking towards the center. The left, that side. It means T must be the answer. The answer is T for this. Right? Second one, the answer is T. Second left. Right? Who is the second left of V? That is T. Next one. Which of the following pairs are neighbors of T? Following pairs of neighbors of T, W and Y. Option number A. W and Y, option number A. Which of the following statement is true? Look at the first statement. Z is not facing the center. Z is not facing the center. Look at the Z. Of course, Z is facing the center. Wrong. Y is second to the right of W. Y is second, wrong. Y is second, not Y is the left of, second left of W. Right? T is facing center. Wrong. T is facing outside. And of course, my answer must be none. Wonderful. I hope last problem got it, everybody. The anti-clockwise clockwise depends on the where they're looking at, facing the center or away from the center. That matters a lot. And that's all about this. Now we'll try solving the quiz questions and let's see how many of you are doing it very clearly. Wonderful, Anamika. So shall we have a quiz link? Great. We got the quiz link now. So try this quiz questions. Please try all these questions now. And then we'll see for the next, the very challenging and very interesting topic, Crypt-arithmetic, after the quiz. Please go with the quiz now. Once you finish, please let me know, everybody. Great, Anusha, done. How is the question, Anusha? Was it very difficult question or easy question? Anusha has completed already. Was it very easy or difficult question, Anusha? What about the other participants? Still solving? Can we go for the next topic? Everybody, please reply me. Please reply after once you solve it. Please reply fast. Vatsala, done. Okay. How is the question, Vatsala? Great. Easy. Okay. It was very easy. Good. Wonderful. Vatsala. Great. Anusha says moderate. Okay, Anusha. The other participants, I'm waiting for your reply, my dear. Once you clear it, once you finish it, please tell me. At least 20 participants you tell me so I can understand everybody has done. Anamika's done it. Good. What about other participants? Even they're all doing it now. Can we go for the next? Mustafa done. Great, Mustafa. Anamika, Mustafa. Anjana also finished it. Madhumita also finished it. Great, Madhumita. Anybody else? Just tell me all together if you finished it. Just let me know once, no? So we can go for the next. Amir Pasha also finished it. Good. Any other participants? Please get me let me know. Shreyas, Viva, Anamika. Shreyas, how was the question? Was it very difficult? Viva also did. Anamika E also did. Great. Kirti. Kirti also completed. Okay, great, Shreyas. Shreyas, remember strategy I told you, having said that, no, it works very less. I mean, 20-25% strategy. But practice needs in this logical topic. This logical topic and the next topic, what we are going to discuss, the Crypt-arithmetic, it matters a lot, the practice. No, I give it strategy only, but the practice matters a lot. Right. So can we go for the next topic now? Everybody. Can you please reply? Can we go for the next topic? Okay, what about other participants? Shreyas, okay. What about other participants? Viva, Anamika. I mean, other participants are alive or what? Not, I mean, are they sleeping or sitting on a sofa watching TV? Or Usha is saying yes, Kirti, yes. No, I'll read, I'll tell some names, you know. Chetan Kumar, I do not know what he's doing. Chetan, are you there? Chatur S. Right? Hansa K. Brijesh today is completely completely bold, you know, knocked out. Kavya is there. Kavya, I do not know if she is solving or not. Kirti, I hope Kavya is solving. Kavya R and Kavya G. I believe Naresh is there, Niranjan Raj, Nirupama, Masood, Nivedita, Pawan, Nishant, Praveen Vaskar, right? Rachna Shukla, Reshma, Sagar. Today Shambhavi is very silent. No, Shambhavi is the same session, right? Shambhavi is the same session or different session? I think the same. Right. Okay, Pawan. Great, Kavya. Shall we go for the next question? Next topic. There are many people also it will doing no writing the assignment and just looking at the screen, writing the assignment. It's quite possible. No, I mean this is the student's mentality. Okay, we'll go for the next one. This is the question for the next, that is called the Crypt-arithmetic. There is one simple question given, right? One simple question that I need you to solve. I want you to solve. There is a genre of mathematical puzzle. What is the crypto-arithmetic is, which is the digits are replaced by letters of the alphabet or the other symbols. Now remember, let's say I have to add this one, L-E-T. L-E-T plus L-E-E. Right? I should get all A-L-L. What is given the condition? I should replace with the letter digits and digits, unique digits. I should get here also the summation. Letter can only take values from 0 to 9. I know this is a rule number 1. The letter should have the value from 0 to 9, and each letter and variable should have the unique value. It means I can't repeat the digit, I can't repeat the value to the letters. So one letter, one digit should be used only one time. It means only one digit should be used for the same letter, only one letter, not the different letters. Right? It's a very, very important point, remember. And let's try how to find it. E is equal to 5 given already. So this is 5 here. So then take the red just to understand. Okay, this is 5 here. This must be also 5 because E taken 5 already. So E plus E, how much will get? 10. That is 0. Carry 1 is given already. So E is 5 here. Right? E is 5. So I do not know what is the value of L, what is the value of T, what is the value of L, and here also A. I need to find out. How do I find out? Just trial and error method. Trial and error. Just I'll give you tricks after some time. How do we try to get the answer? Right? How to try? So L is 0, right? L is 0 here. So 0, 0 possible. If I take 5 here also, what happens? 5 given also T, not possible. Because 5 has been used already. Right? 5 has been used already to the E, given to E. I can't give T, 5 to T again. It's wrong. It means that should not be 0. L should not be 0. Very simple. So how do you find out? Let me erase this. L should not be 0 and T should not be 5. Now, try the other possibility. So can I say that if keep L is 1, right? Because why keeping L 1? L is 1 here, L is 1, L that becomes 2. And there is no carry. L can be 1, L is 1, L is 1 here. So what would it T now? 5 already is there, 6. 6 plus 5, that is 11. Carry 1 from here. Now, so 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 1. Right? Now, what happens here? 5 plus 5, 10, 11. Carry 1 again here also for this one. Carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. A should be 3. And remember, I have not repeated anywhere the digit. It means I have given L 1, E given 5, T T has been assigned with 6, right? And A assigned with 3. There's no repetition at all. So same digits can be assigned the same letter, no problem. The same digit should not be assigned to this different letter, right? This is the one point, very, very important point. So what is the answer in this case? It becomes very easy because E is equal to 5 is given. That's why it becomes easy for us to evaluate and to get the answer. So this completely depends on trial and error method, right? So L3 plus 1 plus 1, add all, the answer must be 5. Option number B. Typical question of the Infosys, right? And the E-Litmus and the other companies even. Now we'll try the strategy. What is the meaning of this strategy? We'll try now. Look at this. The first strategy. The maximum sum of the two digits is 18. Remember, friends. The maximum sum. How? The maximum sum of two digits must be 18. The maximum sum of three digits, what should be? The three numbers. Three numbers should be 27. Right? Maximum. But talking about the two numbers only. Two numbers means maximum. Of course, remember, the each letter should be assigned with the digit, not the number. I told you where to here 0 to 9. That's all. That's all. 0 to 9. So it means the, can I say the two numbers I am adding, maximum carry must be 1. Very, very simple. The carry generated should be 1. Maximum carry must be 1. So remember, so whenever you expect carry from the previous summation, the previous the sum, remember the carry must be the 1. Now, second very important point, and one more important point is here. If you add 4 plus 4, will I get the carry? No. If I add 4 plus 5, will I get the carry? No. If you add 4 plus 6, it means I will get the carry. It means if one number is less than 5, the other number should be more than 6, more than 5 to make the carry, to find the carry. If one number is lesser than 5, right, the other number should be more than 5 to get the carry. Right, very simple. Keep in the point. Let's say I am there is 3. So what should we to get the carry? What is the minimum value should get to get the carry? Minimum value should be 7. Wonderful, straight on. If let's say 2, what is the minimum value to get the carry? Minimum value should be 8 to get the carry. Let's say 1. What is the minimum value to get the carry? That is 9. Very, very simple. Right? Let's say, very simple, tell me, let's say 7. What is the minimum value to get the carry? Minimum value is 3. Right? I hope you understood. Let's say already 6 given. Already 6 given here and also given 2 here. Right? So what should be here? What should be here? It means 2 is there, right? It means 6 must be there. Or let's say 5 must be there also. 5 means what? 11. It means one get carry from the other, the previous one, previous sum. It could be also 5, also 6 also. If the same letter, it should be 5. If different, it should be 6. So very, very, very simple. So we'll try this way. Second strategy is here. If you add any even number to the even number, I'll get the even number. Any even number, right? If you add any odd number plus odd number, I will get always even number. This point, odd plus odd must be even. Even plus even must be even. But one odd number and one even number, I'll get always odd. Keep in mind this one will all the strategy helpful while solving the problem. Again, I'm telling you the strategy and tricks works only for 25%, 20%. Remaining the practice will do that. Adding two numbers, leftmost digit must be 1, or what is the meaning of this? Look at this. Let's say I'm adding one number 2, 3, 4 plus 8, 5, 1. Add this number, how much you get? 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Do you see the difference here? I am adding 3-digit number, 3-digit number. two 3-digit numbers. But what I got the resultant, I got the 4-digit number. It means that the leftmost number, the leftmost digit must be carry, must be the carry 1. Always be the 1, remember. The leftmost letter should be assigned with 1, because maximum carry what we get 1. So leftmost digit must be the 1. Let's say one more example. Let's say one more example here. 164. I'm adding with 551. I get the 4-digit number now. 1015. Look at this. It means that the leftmost digit must be always 1. It means the most left letter should assign with 1. So I hope you would have understood this point. Let's try about the questions now. We'll dive into the problem directly. Then we'll try the, and first we'll see the very easiest question. Then it's a difficult question. Here we go. Your time starts now, 2 minutes. Okay, Sharmila, Shreyas, Viva got the answer. Very simple. Given O, U, T. Right? So I hope I could have understood. What, I mean, needless to tell. Okay, great, Sridham. Needless to tell, O must be 1, isn't it? Carry, no? Carry, because leftmost letter, 1. So this is 1 then, this is 1 then, because O is 1 already given, that must be 2. This must be 2. Right? If this is 2 already given, right? So what should be here? Remember, 2 is there. I can plug in 1 here, no, 2 here, no, 3. 3 plus 2, 5, but I'll not get the carry. Right? Remember, same thing, no? 2 plus something, I should get more than 9. It means should get the carry. So what should be here, the value? Right? If I plug in 6 here, 8, no. 7 plus 2, 10. And 7 plus 2, 9, no carry. It means, of course, I should get 8. Minimum is 8. Right? 2 plus 8 now, here 0. 1 carry, here is carry. Very simple. I hope you would have understood. It means 1 plus 0 plus 2, the question is, the answer must be 3. Sriram, Viva, Sharmila, Shreyas, I hope you understood now. Remember, this is a very, this information triggers us always, no? Okay, of course, the O, the leftmost digit, leftmost letter should be 1, should be carry. It means the T plus G, it means T plus G must have the carry. It means more than 9, right? And remaining is very simple. Now remaining is just again trial and error method. We should try. Shall we go with the next one? Everybody, I hope everybody understood. Easy question. That's why I should find whether everybody understood, and whether I have assigned the digits separately, uniquely, or unique value. Look at this. T O G U. This is one in letter unique. So T I assigned 2. O I assigned O, that is 1. G 8. And U 0. Wonderful. That's all. I have assigned uniquely, right? 2, 1, 8, and 0. So no problem. Shall we go for the next question now, friends? If you tell me yes. Everybody? Right, Sharmila. Great. Great, Viva. Let's go for the next one. Here we go. I'll give you time 1 more minute, friends, then we'll try. Shreyas got 19. Shreyas, wonderful Shreyas, yeah. Great. Shreyas, what is the value of S? Of course, S must be 1. Good. S must be 1. This is also 1. Great. Now the P is most likely the favorable the first I can choice is 0 because carry, right? 0. It means that I do not know T can be 8 or can be 9. Remember, T can be 8 also and can be 9 also. I do not know. If I plug in 8, it means O plus I must have the carry, right? Let's say this carry from here C1 from here to here. This C1 carry, C2 carry from here to here to here, C3, right? It's quite possible C3 we have a carry, right? O plus I must have the carry. O plus I greater than 9. Then we can say I can plug in 8 here. So let's take the chance. Of course, let's take the chance 8. So 8 plus 1, 9, 1 carry from here. It means 0 plus I must have the more than 9 here, right? O plus I should be more than 9. It means should get the carry. So what should be? If T is 8, I've assumed, I can assume also 8, T. So of course, how do I get 8? It means E plus E, I should get only one way. That is 4 plus 4. I'll get 8. So I'll assign E with 4 and E with 4, I'll get 8. As of now, no problem. I'm not repeating any numbers, any digit now, Sharmila. Now it means I can plug in E4 here also. Now O plus E must be 14, isn't it? I hope you would have understood. O plus I. O plus I must be 14. Must be 14. Or O plus I must be 13. It could be anyone. If 13 means what? One carry from here. M plus N should create the carry. If 14, it means O plus I should, M plus M should not have the carry. Let's say I'm assuming this one, O plus I, 14. Now, how to find out now? How to find the O value, how to find the E value? But should be the more, right? Should be more value. And remember, N must be lesser than 9. It means should not carry. If A can get carried, get 15, it becomes 15 now. It becomes 5 now, right? So what is the digit left out? I have one been used. 2 is there. 2 is available with us. 2 available with us. 3 available with us. 4 has been used. 5 has been 5 available with us. Right? 5 available with us. 6 6 also available with us, right? 7 also available with us. 8, 9, no, 8 not available. 9 also available, right? And 0 not available, 1 not available. Now, let's say try. If I 2 plus 2, it becomes 4, n becomes 4. And 4 I haven't used already, you know. So m plus m, let's say I'm trying 2 plus 2, that is 4. N should be 4. I can't give 4 to n because 4 given to e, wrong. Let's say 3 plus 3, 6, not given anywhere. So plug in 3 here, plug in 3 here, it means 6 here. So 3 gone, 6 gone. What is left out? 2, 5, 7, 9. Right? Now look at this. I, O and I need the 14. How to get the 14? O plus I, how to get the 14? There's many possibilities, friend. It could be 5 plus 9, right? Or 9 plus 5, also possible. No, possible, right? Also possible, I can say, any other possibility we have? 4 plus 8? No, 4 are already given. 4 has been assumed. Yes, 4, 5 plus 9. So I can say 9 here, 5 here, right? So no problem. Also, we can say 5 here, 9 here, no problem. 5 can be here also, 9 can be here also. Of course, the answer will be 14 only, right? I hope I've not repeated anywhere. Let's check it out. E plus E, 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 3, 6. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 8, carry 1 plus 8, 9. Carry 1, 10. Wonderful. Right answer. So what is the answer? 1 plus 0 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. The answer is 90. Right? Everybody, I hope you would have understood. That takes time, no? Of course, you need to practice a lot. That you need to practice a lot. That's very clear. Is that clear, everybody? Shall we go for the next? Let's try for easy question for you. Just give you easy question for you now. Because all the question appeared already in the placement drive. Here we go. Yes, stress. Now here we go. Very simple, very, very simple. You can solve very easily this question. Anybody? One more minute. Of course, needless to tell, A must be the one, है ना? Very clear. So I'll give you the hint. A must be the one. Now remember, T becomes I have to add something here to become P. Great, great. Sridham, Pooja, wonderful. Wow. Madhumita, Brijesh, I'm impressed completely. Wonderful. Many people are getting the answer. Great, 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 great. Brijesh also got it. So, I mean, very simple. No? Of course, T becomes the next number. T becomes next number. It means T must be 1 here. T must be 9. It means E plus H, this one. E plus H must have the carry more than 9. If this is 9, the carry we know only 1. Maximum carry is only 1. It means P must be 0. And this is also 0 then. And A is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Right? So let's say L is 2. Let's say L is 2 Anamika. Right? And T is 9. So 9 here, 18. Carry 1. 1 plus that becomes 3 now. L3. Right? Now, E plus H, E is 8, already we got it. It means what about the H now? 2. 8 plus 2, 10. Very simple, right? So that makes very good sense, no? 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 plus 8. How much will you get? 12. So crucial point is here, friends, remember, the crucial point is A must be the 1 and T should have the final, I mean the maximum carry the should take, that is only 1. And E plus H can generate carry only 1, maximum carry. This one, E plus H. That's why 9 becomes the 10. It means 0. I hope that makes sense to everybody. I hope everybody understood. Anamika Tripathi. Yes, Anamika, Nitya. Very simple, very nice. So this one, of course, almost everybody, almost more than 50 would have understood and would have noted this point, the few strategy, how to solve it. We'll go for the next one, friends, now. Yeah. Yeah. Anybody answer, got the answer? Let's try. Shall we try now? Needless to tell everybody, what should be this one? Remember, H will not generate any H will not generate the very important. H must have generate the carry, to get this one T. It means I plus I should have the carry. H becomes E, H becomes E. It means something should be incremented, should be plus. It means, can I say I plus I must have the carry? Very important point. Keep in the mind first. So now H becomes E. It means, I'll tell you, I'll take the ink, red ink. So H must be 9. That's why that should be the 0 E. Right? Now, If E is 0, it means that what's about the S and S? 5 plus 5 only possibility, right? Now very, very simple now. Remember, it is I plus I should generate the more than 9 carry. So what should be? Let's say I'll take the 4. 4 plus 4, not possible, carry. 5 plus 5, I cannot take because I've given already to S. 6 plus 6, 12. Let's say, I can take 6 here, 6 here, 12 and plus 1, 13. Carry 1. Right? So what is now? I have see what should be this one now? H is given 9. So what should be the T? T must be the 8. And that's why 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1. So 8 becomes carry 1 here also. Carry from here. And 1 carry from here. 1 carry from here. Right? So every previous sum generates the carry for the next. If you move from this to this. Right? 9 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0. 12. Right? This is very simple. You would have understood, friends, everybody. Yes, Priyanka. Sridham Priyanka got it. Very, very simple. So the trigger point is here, H. Once you get the H and E trigger point, because H becomes E, it means the highest possibility I can plug in here, that is 9. That's why I get the carry something 1, I'll get the other number. Other number means what? The other letter. So H plus something, I'll get the other number, that is E. It means that I plus I should generate the carry. So I plus I can fix only 6 plus 6 because I can't fix 4 plus 4. Will not generate the carry. 5 plus 5, I cannot fix it because 5 has been given to S. So the probability is that I fix the 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And 1 carry from there, I got the 13. So 9 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0. That's the answer for that. One more question. Here we go. Yes, anybody got it? Now shall we try now? Needless to tell, once again, H must be. Oh, one got the answer. Viva got the answer. Viva, are you getting 14? Viva, can you check it once? Did you anywhere repeated the letter number? Viva, check it once. I hope you would have repeated the letter number. There should be unique solution. Should not be any other solution. So H must be the one. Okay, I'll take this. H must be the one. It needless to say, Y must be 9. That's why it becomes something 1 carry. It means O plus Y should generate the carry. Should more than 9. It means E must be 0. So Y is 9 here, right? Y is 9. And O4 given. Very simple. Now look at this. O is equal to 4 given. That's the very good point for us. If O is given 4, this is 4, this is 4. right? Viva, Prasad, Madhumita, Priyanka. Let's check it out. So 9 plus 4, how much will get? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? A 13. Should have the carry. No, will not have the carry, remember here. Why is not have the carry? U plus O is equal to R, right? And O is 4. What should be the U? If U cannot put 2, if 2 put, I'll get 6 here. 6, R is 6 here. आपको T 4 should be, then I can put 2. Possible, 1 not possible. I can go for the 2. It's 6. It means R is 6 there and U is 2. What is T? 8. How simple that is, right? 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8. 6 plus 3, 9, 10. That is 18. Wonderful. Viva, Prasad, Madhumita, Priyanka, great minds, great, wonderful. So practice required a lot, no? So can you just take the few questions, 2 questions, try at home. Then we'll go and try at your place, and then we'll go for the quiz. Please have this question. Take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot of this question, and we'll go for the next one and take this and try at home. This is the 6th one more question. One more question is there. That is very, very simple. This is also, and this is the 7th one. Very simple. Ever plus since is equal to Darwin. Find Darwin. Ever plus since is equal to Darwin. In this case, also very, very simple. Darwin is 1, right? D must be the 1. If you know this, D must be 1. A must be 0, right? You will understand. So try this one also. And then now we have to go for the quiz questions. The last 4 minutes, please have a quiz link now. Can we have a quiz link now, please? Genesis team, technical team. Can we have the link, the quiz link, quiz questions? I'm waiting for the link. Okay, we got the link. Here you go. Everybody, please try the questions now. Please try the questions. And once you try the questions, also the solution will be given. So I will wind up at exactly at 7 o'clock because I have another session at 7:05. So thank you, everybody. Thanks a lot. I appreciate that you have attended all the classes very well. And that's, I appreciate everybody in this session. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, Rahul sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Pooja, right?
Yes, sir. Pooja here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyways, thank you, students. And this will be your last aptitude class. This is logical reasoning.
Yes.
From tomorrow, we'll go ahead with the soft skill topics.
Right.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes. Bye-bye.
And please,
Bye-bye.
please make sure everyone will take a quiz and assignment.
Yeah, they will. They're very good student, you know.
Yeah, sir, actually.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Yes, Bridget. So you can practice a lot. There's many books and on the internet you'll get the questions. Practice all the, and also there are assignment. No? Assignment, there's so many questions are there. So you can also try there. Kirti, right? Wonderful. Thank you.